Hey everybody, today we have a new topic, how to use another, other and others. How to use another, other and others. Well, to make you clear, to understand these topics, how to use another, other and others, I'm gonna explain in details how to use them. When to use another means one more, an additional, an extra, or a different one, or an alternative one. So it is an alternative one, another choice. Remember, another is plus singular countable noun. Another is followed by singular countable noun. It means another can be followed by a singular noun. When you make this sentence, you have to follow a singular countable noun. When you make this sentence, another can be followed by a singular countable noun. Well, the first example is he has bought another motorbike. So motorbike is only one singular noun. So we use another motorbike. Next, number 2. Would you like another cup of coffee? Would you like another cup of coffee? So another cup of coffee means one cup of coffee. Number 3 is don't worry about the rain. We can go another day. Don't worry about the rain. We can go another day. So another day means you can choose another day. Maybe you can choose on Sunday, on Friday, on Saturday, and other days. Next, I think you should paint it another color. I think you should paint it another color. So another color means you can choose another one. Maybe you can choose red, you can choose yellow, brown, chocolate, brown, and another color. Next, we are having another baby. We are having another baby. So you might have another baby, the second baby, the third baby, or the fourth baby. Thank you. Next, when to use other. So other is a determiner that goes before plural countable nouns. So it is followed with plural countable nouns. Uncountable nouns or a pronoun. So can be followed with uncountable nouns, plural nouns or a pronoun. Other is plus with plural countable noun, and other can be followed by a plural countable nouns. First example is we have other styles if you are interested. Other styles, so more than styles that we can have. Next, number 2. Have you got any other dresses? Have you got any other dresses? Or are these only ones? Or are these the only ones? So other dresses means you might have other choices of dresses. Next, some days are sunny, though other days can be very rainy. So other days means on Monday, on Tuesday, on Friday, and etc. Next, I have invited some other people. I have invited some other people. So other people means more than one person. Some other people. Next, I can't help you because I'm busy with other things. I can't help you because I'm busy with other things. Maybe I am busy with my activities, other things. I might be busy at school, I might be busy at work, I might be busy at church, and etc. Next, how to use the word other. So the word other is often used with article the. It can be used with the singular or it can be used with the plural nouns. Let's check for examples. We crossed to the other side of the street. We crossed to the other side of the street. Number 2, I liked the lesson, but the other students thought it was boring. I liked the lessons, but the other students thought it was boring. Next, let's finish this task and leave the other tasks for tomorrow. Let's finish this task and leave the other tasks for tomorrow. So those are to use other and the other. So sometimes we can also use the other. Other can be replaced with the other because the other is more general. Next, how to use others. Others is a noun, and we use it when we don't say the noun specifically. So others is a pronoun. We use it and it stands alone because we have already known what the noun is. So we don't have to say the noun. So the word others is enough. So it can stand alone. For example, I liked the lesson, but the others thought it was boring. I liked the lesson, but the others thought it was boring. The others means the other students, the other people. And next example, let's finish this task and leave the others for tomorrow. Let's finish this task and leave the others for tomorrow. So the others means we don't have only this task, we still have other tasks. Maybe we have math task, we have English task, we have tasks from church, tasks from work, and many tasks that is left. So we say, let's finish this task and leave the others for tomorrow. Next example, he has no interest in helping others. He has no interest in helping others. Helping others means in helping other people. So others means other people, other friends, other men and other women. Next, what are the others doing tonight? What are the others doing tonight? So the others means the other people, the other students, the other boys, the other men in the room. Alright, so they are so simple to use in your English conversation. So please tune in and don't forget to subscribe. Please help this channel to grow and don't forget to like and subscribe and don't forget to comment in the below section. So guys, if you want to learn English more, you can tune on Learn English in Bright School and wait for other videos next time.